Whispers in my head. So take it, kiddo.
Look, my friend.
진실한 나만의 beliefs. You know what they say, don't brag about what you have. Be careful and be humble, otherwise you should be ready to stop. You know what they say, just
Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. The most famous bridge in Bangkok is the Rama IX Bridge, and this weekend and the next weekend it will be open to the public as a free walk. So let me see what this bridge has to offer and see you at the end of the video. So Rama IX Bridge, here I am. So to come to this bridge, you need to come to the central plaza in Rama IX. So after that you have like free bus that take you at the bottom of the bridge. That is free, of course. And then you need to scan a QR code, because otherwise you cannot come in. So it's just to get like some of your details, surname, first name, and also mobile number, and then you can access to the walkway. It's quite busy and this is very hot. Right now it's 4:30 and I can tell you it's very hot. So from the bottom to the middle of the bridge, it's about 20-minute walk. So let me see what this bridge has to offer. This is the Bangkok traffic, guys. Today Saturday and it's very busy. Some paramedic and first aid mobile van, so for that also you don't have to worry. Actually it's very well organized. So just behind me, as you can see, there is a water station. So if you need to drink some water, it's very hot right now. So don't worry about it. Not yet there. There is still 10 minutes to walk until I reach the middle of the bridge. Long way to go. Long way to go, and it's getting busy. Yeah, it's getting hot, so I have to protect my head.
ไม่ไหวมันลกรถข้างหลังเยอะมาก
โอ้ยอยู่นู้นเลย
แล้วก็อะไรนะ
So this bridge has been protected by what they call payanat. Payanat is look like dragon, but it's not a dragon. Actually, it's like I don't know how they call it in English.
อย่างนี้เลยนะ
Okay, so how do you know Thai people like food? So they can set up a street food everywhere. So it's not even funny to see a street food on top of the bridge. So let me show you. So okay guys, so it's quite windy right now and it's the end of the tour. So I really enjoy this bridge actually, and it's good like to walk in that type of bridge. So it was good idea to make it like walkaway. So stay tuned, subscribe, click the like button, and see you for the next video. Cheers.